Alrighty, today we're going to be drawing a butterfly. In the center of our paper, we're going to start off by drawing a small circle. A small circle. That's going to be the butterfly's head. So coming out from the butterfly's head, we're going to draw the antennas. So they're slanted lines with a little dot on top. When you're done with that, we're gonna draw this really long oval. It's thicker near the head and then thinner near the bottom. This is gonna be the butterfly's body. This is gonna be the butterfly's body. Once you have that done, we can go ahead and start on the wings. So we're gonna draw this curved line that goes out quite a bit. Then we're gonna draw this curve, kind of like a wiggly line. And then it's gonna curve right back in. So that's the top part of our butterfly's wings. There's two parts to each wing. So we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Curved line that goes pretty far out. Then we're gonna draw that wiggly line again. Then once we have that wiggly line, we're gonna draw it going back in. Try to make both sides about the same size, but it's okay if they're a little bit different. Then we're going to draw the bottom part of the wing. So we have this curved line that comes out from under the top of the wing, and then we're going to continue it until it goes back and connects to the body. And we just got to do it one more time. Curved line, and then we're going to connect it to the body. And that's all there is to it. Easy peasy butterfly drawing. So I made my butterfly pink and purple, but you can make your butterfly any color you want. And we're all done. Wasn't that easy? Wasn't that fun? Thanks for following along.